Darling, you're with me, always around me. Only love, only love. Darling, I feel you under my body. Only love, only love. Give me shelter, or show me heart. Come on, love, come on, love. Watch me fall apart, watch me fall apart. Always around me. Only love, only love. Darling, I feel you under my body. Only love, only love. Give me shelter, or show me heart. Come on, love, come on, love. Watch me fall apart, watch me fall apart. Only love, darling, I feel you under my body. Only love, only love. Will give me shelter, will show me heart. Come on, love, come on, love. Watch me fall apart, watch me fall apart. Watch me fall apart, watch me fall apart. Watch me fall apart. Darling, you're with me forever and always. Give me shelter, or show me heart. And watch me fall apart, watch me fall apart.
On this adventure, I'm kayaking in Lake Järnlunden, located in Sweden. I had just arrived at Talön. I had planned to overnight on this small island, but I didn't find any good tent spot, so I kept exploring.
Take my hand and let go. I just want you to know you're the only one that pulls me in. You changed everything. Like one small shaft of light flooding into my eyes. I will never see things just the same, but I'm not afraid. And all I have seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat I could leave almost everything that I've ever known. So here we go. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You could be my way of life. Sea salt sits on your lips. Birds fall earthward from cliffs. Thought I couldn't do this, but I'm fine, 'cause you're by my side. And all I have, it doesn't seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat my whole world's getting different. So here we go, off the road. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. Maybe it's time to step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You could be my way of life. And we take another step into the truly unknown. Don't know why, but it's somewhere that we have to go. And it's dangerously wonderful. So come on, come on, come on, come on. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You could be my way of life.
I arrived at Brommön, in the northwest campsite. The beach looked nice. I explored the nearby area and found a cliff with some grass next to it. I thought it would make the perfect place to pitch my tent. I decided to kayak over there. Arriving at the west peak of Bromön, I was going to put up my tent and later do landscape photography.
It was golden looking back, some kind of heaven in my hands for so long. I was busy making plans, I couldn't see the things I had till they were all gone. Well, so much has passed me by, and I didn't realize. So try till your dying breath to hold on to happiness, 'cause life's just a moment, and one day it's over. And it's cruel how the time can pass. The deepest of rivers move so fast, and life's just a moment. So know when it's golden. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on to happiness. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Well, I miss talking late at night, getting drunk on cheap red wine. Yeah, we were so close. So now I'm trying not to waste the untamed seconds of the day, 'cause I know that so much can pass you by, you don't even realize. So try till your dying breath to hold on to happiness, 'cause life's just a moment, and one day it's over. And it's cruel how the time can pass. The deepest of rivers move so fast, and life's just a moment. So know when it's golden. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on to happiness. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on to happiness. And treasure while it lasts, 'cause you never get it back. Never get it back, no, no. And regrets can hurt the most, so when you got it, don't let go. Don't let go. Just try till your dying breath to hold on to happiness, 'cause life's just a moment, and one day it's over. And it's cruel how the time can pass. The deepest of rivers move so fast, and life's just a moment. So know when it's golden. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on to happiness. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on to happiness. Hold on to happiness.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Done. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me. Done. And I was running far away. Would I run off the wall someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time I have been lying, oh, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the forest place on my shelf. Da-dee-da. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? But no,